Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend. And welcome to this video on Immutable X or IMX. Wanted to do a video on that. It's been, it's been very bullish. Obviously, I mean, the whole market has been bullish. But IMX, it's following a little bit of a weird market structure. Like if you take a look at this, basically since yesterday, it has been spiking up. Like you see these big buy orders that are going all the way up to $1 almost right now. So yeah, before we start, I mean, IMX is manipulated. Like price action like that is not normal, and you can also see it right here. Basically what's happening, or at least what I think is happening, is that in increments, here you can see it very well, like in increments, big buy orders are placed for IMX by some sort of a manipulator. You can also see that if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, a lot from Upbit, Bika, CTEX, SuperX, which if a lot of the volume comes from those exchanges, usually it's manipulated. So something like that is going on. Like the price is being pumped up by whomever. It could be a lot of parties, could even be something like Wintermute, a big market maker, which I know does market making for IMX as well. But that's just the situation. That doesn't change anything about the fact that the market is super bullish as well. So that's 100% helping IMX as well. And there's some sort of like, if you take a look at like the top 500 and then the gainers, what you'll see is that there's quite a lot of gaming tokens in there as well. Like for example, Immutable X, Nakamoto Games, Illuvium, Gods Unchained, Wow the World, Dora. I'm not sure if Dora Factory is one, but it sounds like a game. So yeah, it's pushed by manipulation and narrative and bullish momentum in the market. So there's a lot of bullish momentum behind IMX right now. And for that, I actually want to zoom out to the daily time frame because it's nearing a major resistance level, which is this level right here, around $1, which is obviously a huge psychological resistance level. But then it's also supported, which you can barely see, but it is true, with the 0.5 fib of this entire move down. So that's going to be interesting. First of all, I do expect the price to get there, all right? So I do still expect some more bullish momentum up to $1 and potentially even 1.5. Like the resistance level really is between $1 and 1.05. So that's what I expect. And then, depending on how it reacts to that level, we will either see more bullish momentum, like potentially all the way up to 1.15, or we'll see a big crash, because at some point it's going to crash down hard. And at this moment, I mean, the open interest, the volume, they're still increasing. So IMX, like I said, it's still very bullish. There's nothing bearish about IMX right now. And that's why I'm telling you that I think the most likely scenario is that it will get up to $1 and 1.05. Now, I do expect resistance there. I can barely imagine that it will not find any resistance there. But then it will all depend. If I can find a good Fibonacci level right here, let me quickly look for that. I think this is fine. I think this is good enough. But from there, it will find resistance, I think. So then the only way to get back up to like 1.15 or so is if it's able to hold a support level right here at like 91 or 95 cents or something like this. Like I expect this. It will find resistance. If it breaks above $1 and holds that as support, then 100% it will get up to 1.15. Like that's super bullish. If it breaks above $1 and holds that as support, even though it finds resistance at $1.05. But also if it drops down from that level and is able to hold 91/95 cents as a support, and from there, while it's holding that support, it breaks above $1, I also expect 1.15. So in general, I'm still very bullish on IMX. But the thing is, it is manipulated. At some point of time, it will crash hard, and that will come very suddenly. So what could also happen is that IMX finds resistance here and then drops below 95 cents, and then it crashes all the way down to 75 cents. That's a possibility as well. Like that's 100% not the most likely scenario right now because everything still looks bullish, but you should be prepared for that. All right, so that's my full analysis on IMX. Expect more bullish momentum, then depending on how it reacts to resistance, even more, up to 1.15. But be careful, all right? Be careful. Trading it's volatile, it's manipulated. So yeah, take care. Lastly, I have my own premium groups. and a Signal group, which links to that will be down in the description. If you want to make some profits and become a better trader, consider joining that. All of the results are completely transparent, so you can actually check out all of the trades of October, for example. But that is the video for now. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.